Hold on, you guys are a little bit too close. Oh, there we go. They're really nice mirror too. Almost too nice because my pores are not looking good. So I figured. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I hope you stick around and watch a few more. And if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. Today's video I'm super excited about. I need to like catch my breath, I'm so excited. In general, like for the regardless of, you know, everything going on, I've just cut my makeup buying anyway because I just have so much. I can't get good use out of it, and then especially this year with everything going on, I feel like we're not wearing as much makeup as we used to, so I'm very selective about what I've been purchasing. But you guys, I had to. Oh my god, this is what the outside packaging looks like. This is obviously the ALAMAR Cosmetics Spanglish eyeshadow palette, and then I did grab the brushes as well. And I low-key was gonna do a giveaway with them, but like they're so pretty that I think I'm just gonna have to use them in the video. We'll see. No, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in a little bit. So I'll be giving away these brushes. They're not gonna leave the packaging. It's a brush trio. I meant to get 2 of these and do one for a giveaway, but I didn't. I don't know what my brain was thinking. So obviously today we're going to be testing out. It's gonna be a first impression. So obviously today this is gonna be a first impressions / review of the Spanglish, oh my god, eyeshadow palette. Oh, wait, it has the thing on it. The pictures don't even do it justice. And it comes with a really nice mirror too. Almost too nice because my pores are not looking good. Whew. If you guys are not new to my channel, you know that I love ALAMAR Cosmetics. They don't have too many products, but I've tried their eyeshadow palettes and they have one of the best formulas out there. I'm not even kidding you. I still haven't been able to get my hands on the Reina de Caribe Volume 2 palette. I have the Volume 1. Hold on. It is beaten up because I freaking love this. These are like my shades. These are my warm tones, and these are like my favorite shimmers. Literally, this is like one of the most perfect palettes, at least for me. It just doesn't have a mirror. But the quality is amazing. And I've had this for a while now too, and it still performs really well. I can't say enough good things. If I can find any, I know I have a couple tutorials with this link down below, but if you just search this palette, you should be able to find any tutorials that I've done with this. But I love this palette. It's so good. I do also have some ALAMAR Cosmetics brushes that I love, which is why I'm like, I really want to use these, but I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I'll figure out the giveaway and I'll tell you at the end of the video. So watch the whole video so you can figure out when I announce the giveaway for this. We are just gonna be doing like a first impressions. I wanna try to use as many shades as possible, which this palette is extremely cohesive. Not that this one isn't cohesive, but like you wouldn't use, I mean, you could really use every color of this all together because it's beautiful, but this is much more like pinks, purples, and stuff like that, like sunset vibes, whereas this has a bunch of different colors. So I'm gonna try to use as many colors as I can. Oh my god, I love the packaging too. Can we just appreciate the like old English font and the freaking hoop ear? Oh my god, I have hoop earrings in too. I'm feeling the vibe. I already have my makeup on. I've worn this makeup all day, so it's a little crusty. Please let me live. So I'm gonna put some like fresh concealer on my lids because I do have a little bit of mascara on too, but that's not a big deal. I'm gonna put lashes on over top. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some concealer on my lids, and I kind of just want to like, I love when I try out a palette to just like put some music on and just like feel out whatever I'm doing. So I'll show you what I'm doing, but I am just gonna do like a voice, or I'm just gonna put music over it, and then I'll tell you kind of like my final thoughts after, and you'll see obviously like my first impressions if I go like when a shade is really pigmented or something, you'll see that. So if you like ALAMAR Cosmetics, please make sure to like this video, and let's get into it.
Left with you, the feeling's going through. It's always you, 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 it's always you. I keep falling for you. without you I can feel this pain. It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is don't let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always.
The camera died, but it worked out. I shouldn't even be speechless because, like, I don't know why I expected any less or any different, because I really didn't from their first palette. Hold on, you guys are a little bit too close. Oh, there we go. There, a little further away. I freaking love this look. I used literally every shade except for this like brown taupe, but this is like the most boring shade in the palette anyway. So I figured. Get away from the candle, please. Before I was just rudely interrupted. Anyway, as I was saying, I used every single shade minus this, what is this one called? Oh, it's ha 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 in Spanish. Like the ja ja ja. I know that's not how you say it, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so I just didn't use this shade, but honestly I feel like it's the least exciting shade, and if anything, that's the one that like I would care about the least. Now, I will say, first of all, I didn't wet any of the shimmers, as you saw. The only shade that I didn't love was this light pink shade, and that's only because I wish it was a tiny bit more pigmented. You just had to work with it a little bit more. It's a perfect transition shade for both of these, but you do have to take quite a bit of it to like really get it. Although if you used a lighter base than I did, you probably would be okay. Stop interrupting me. Okay, bye. I am extremely happy with this look. If you like this look, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So my final thoughts is this is absolutely worth it. I believe this is only $28. It's very affordable. Their brand is very affordable in general. So I feel like with a brand like that, you don't really have to justify the price unless it's really bad. But for $28, there's 8 shades that's a great price. So, and their brushes are also amazing. So I'm sure they are just as high of quality standard as their other brushes. So for this giveaway, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box as well. But what I would like you to do is thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, of course, and then comment just anything in Spanish. You can comment hola, you can comment whatever you want, something down in Spanish down below. And then I'm also going to be doing an Instagram post with this look, and for extra entries you can tag ALAMAR Cosmetics in that post. So I will again leave everything down below for you and the rules and when it's going to end and everything. I literally take the time and write down everyone who entered, and if you entered multiple times, I write your name down multiple times and then I pick randomly. So I do it really, really fair, and I always like to do extra entries for something like that, and sometimes I'll even do another bonus round as well. So usually I run my giveaways for a week or two. I'll figure it out when I'm editing and give everything in the description box for you, and it'll also be in my Instagram. I guess that's it for today's video. I'm so happy with how this came out. I'm gonna film another video after this too, so I'll have this look. I am super, super happy. I hope that you guys like the look that I created. I cannot recommend ALAMAR Cosmetics enough. I freaking love them. As always, please make sure that if you ever want to see my face again, that you subscribe to my channel. It means so, so much to me. Also, I am raising money for the Cold Case Foundation. I have been slacking on my 1 video a month to help raise money. I need to get into a better schedule. I've been dealing with a lot, like I've said, and I just haven't been able to film. So if I ever can't get a new fundraiser up, I'm just going to keep linking that video down below. It can't hurt to keep linking it and to keep it going. So I'll leave that information down below. So if you want to do that, go ahead. And otherwise, thank you so, so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye, guys.